swim around, but yeah, since no one's here, I'm gonna film the beach. See? No kids here. YouTube's not gonna community guideline strike me. No one's here even, so see, I can film the beach. I can film the whole beach because no one's here. Yep, I'm gonna go swimming. Water's really clear. Water's really clear. Now I hear people talking down there. I'm gonna go swimming. Got to put my earplugs on because I got water stuck in my ear and I had an ear infection.